Okay. Just a quick update on
On
the
the
brake
driver's
job.
side?
Yeah, on the driver's side of the Kia. Driver's side um, strut
Sway
link.
bar end link?
Yeah, sway bar end link was also shot. Right.
Yep.
That's the lower side. This is the upper. Goes inside there just like that. And that's how it should be.
I guess the uppers did better than the bottoms.
Yeah, that's not how it
Yeah.
should be. She's definitely loose and clunky. So there's that. But we also had another issue on the driver's side, as we said before. So these pins right here are what your caliper slides on, right here. So these should float like this here. Nice, clean grease. I typically, if these are floating and feeling good, no grinding, I typically will not pull these apart. And you break that seal and they'll end up getting rusty in water and stuff like that in them. This one, however, we will. That is froze up. So we need to remove this pin, clean it up, and then this kit provides us with new grease, I believe. I believe that's grease. Is that grease in those packets over there?
I believe so. I think so.
Or is that silicone for the back of the pads?
Will it work?
I don't know. Well, you don't want to put silicone in these.
Well, could go look at the package. That's for sure.
Wow. That's really froze up.
Apparently.
Oh, really?
Sure.
Hopefully we don't lose power tonight.
Uh-huh. Why is that?
Well, I'd kind of like to get this done.
That sure would be nice.
For the beavers.
And we would probably need to go get gas, right? For the generator?
Yeah. Exactly. Got enough to probably keep us going for a little bit, but
not much.
Not much.
Definitely not the whole night.
Well, Jeffrey, why is that not coming out? That is really giving us a little issue there. Yeah. Normally I can just crank her down the vise here and give her a little. That's not. It's not the case this time, Jeffrey. Does not want to give up the ghost here. Does not want to come out.
Oh, there you go.
There we go. But as I said, we stretched that out pretty good now. But she won't seal anywhere near as good as she did. But there you go. She is obviously not sealed very well anyway. That's wet, nasty, rusty grease.
A little better.
Yeah. We need to hit her with the the wire wheel. Little wire wheel. We got a wire wheel on something over there? No?
You took it off, I believe.
I think you're right. I think I did.
Or was it on the DeWalt? Could have been.
Oh, buddy.
What?
That feels good.
Well, you know.
That feels good. Jeffrey's got us a little heat going over here in the wood in the old wood fireplace there.
Wood stove.
Wood stove.
Good.
Feels really good.
Good feller knows how to make a fire and keep it going.
That's for darn. That feels. You can feel that right here.
Uh-huh.
Oh, that's good.
Told you.
That's good.
What did I say? I said I would get it going.
Yeah. Fellers, up here in the Northwest, you want to get yourself. We have a. Where's the? Oh yes, there we go. Thank you. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for right
Okay,
there.
what were you gonna say?
That right there. Yeah. You fellas up here in the Northwest know what we're talking about. You're gonna go out and shop and do something in the wintertime. You better get yourself some heat.
Yep.
Get yourself a little heat source. No, you cannot have Jeffrey. Jeffrey will build a fire in the old wood stove over there, have you heat in a few minutes.
That's for sure.
Feeling pretty good about that, Jeffrey.
Better?
Uh-huh.
That's good.
I'm feeling pretty good about that. There you go. Okay.
Yep.
Now,
Put a little grease on there.
and put a little white lithium on there.
Not a bad idea.
Put a little white lithium. All right. That's what you want.
Mm-hmm.
Now, that pin slides in and out freely, like that one there.
That's good.
Yep. That's what you want. There you go. All right.
All right.
So that's what we had to show you on this one over here. Occasionally it happens. And if it does, pull it out and clean it up. Otherwise, you're going to end up with a rotor that hangs up. You're going to get an inside pad or an outside pad that wears down prematurely. So pull it out and do a little service on it and get her back together.